You know what I really hate? What I really can't stand? Cold cereal in the morning. I hate it just as much as I hate cold showers. And what better to make go snap, crackle, pop in the microwave than snap, crackly, poppy Rice Krispies? I mean, it's like a match made in heaven. Safety is our number one concern. That's why we constructed a big tinfoil shield. So we don't roast our nuts. Because no one likes roasted nuts. We also have a proper ventilation system, today consisting of 2 identical looking fans. How about that? Here's our microwave. It's sharp. So, in go the Rice Krispie treats. I wonder how long we should put them in there for. Maybe 2 minutes. Sounds like a plan. Closing the door and retreating behind the barricade. Closing this door to seal in the goodness, and we're turning off the light for dramatic effect. Now we just take this simple little arm and go in for the kill. There we go. Come on, crispy treats. I don't hear you.
Heart fell over.
Yeah, I think the bag inside was building up pressure and expanded, because you can see the box opened up.
Uh-oh.
So maybe it'll do that to the bag.
You think the bag's gonna explode?
Sending Rice Krispie morsels everywhere? I sure hope so. Go. You can see it's becoming really unstable.
Is it shaking?
Yep, there's smoke coming out of it now. Okay, I need some light on it so I can stop the microwave. And let's stop the microwave. There we go.
That looks pretty bad.
And it smells pretty bad. So
let's get it set up.
Let's vent this puppy out. That's strong smoke. Are you ready for this? Let's do it. As you can see, the smoke is cleared. We have ventilated it out and tried to save ourselves. And just use some Rice Krispies. Wow. Okay, yeah. Yeah. I think I found the source of the smoke. I believe it was coming from this area, and possibly this area too. Yet they're still crunching. How about that? So if you've watched this one all the way through, you probably went, wait, Jory, don't you like your cereal cold with milk? You're right. And in light of that, I realized there's no reason why I would microwave it to begin with. And on top of that, now seeing that when you do microwave it, it just smokes and stinks up the room, it is a very bad idea to microwave Rice Krispies. But maybe if you included marshmallows so they became Rice Krispie treats, I think we're onto something. See you next time.